severe thunderstorm warning for south central Accomack County in southeastern Virginia until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lake, 8 miles north of Exmoor, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south central Accomack County, including the following locations: Accomack, Keller, Quinby, Chesley, Painter, Pungoteek, Melva, Locustville, and Wachapreak. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
Doubleheader, yes.
Coastal waters from Chincoteague to Paramore Island, Virginia, 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Paramore Island to Cape Charles, Virginia, 20 nautical miles until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm, capable of producing winds to nearly 50 knots, located near Ononcock Inlet, moving east at 25 knots. Locations impacted include Wachapreak Reef and Wachapreak Inlet. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Accomack County in southeastern